And this is the backside of the beach club, guys. I get this little clip in there. I'll add this into the video so you can see it. So if you're over near the DVC Beach Club Villas, this is what's on the backside of it. So this takes you right into the main entrance of the beach club. So that's over here where the bus is. If you go through the doors over this way, it's going to bring you into the main lobby, and the parking lot's going to be right over there where the buses come in. And if you keep swinging the camera around here, we're going to bring right into the Beach Club Villas, which is my next video. All right, welcome back, guys. That was a quick one. Beach Club Villas. So right behind me, you'll notice the building change color. It turns into the blue. The blue is the beach clubs, and the greenish color is the Beach Club Villas. And this is a vacation club resort. And this statue used to be around the backside before they moved the entrance over to here.
Okay, thank you so much.
This is just, they don't really have a main lobby, so you walk in and they've got this center area here, a little wooden chandelier hanging above top. And then you've got decisions to make, because you're in this central area here. So if you walk in straight, you've got the elevators over here, which we're gonna do in a minute. You got over here down the hall. I'll actually kick my head around the corner here so you can see what we're looking at. And this is actually gonna be the hallway for all the rooms. So this resort is pretty much just rooms. You've got a little concierge service desk right there, which nobody's at because it's not really getting used at this moment in time. And then they've got a drawing room over here. See if I can get that up there. And they got a little pool table in there. They got a, what do you want to call it? A TV in there. And they got some chairs. So it's a little lobby area in there. Let's see what's across the hall here. Pretty much the same thing, more rooms. And then out the back here.
So you could send it there, or
little sitting area. And this door is actually going to take you out to their pool. Not a very big pool, but it's a pool. Let's go out there. I'll come back in and get the rest of this in a minute. So this is the outside. When you come outside, this is what you have. You have a little tiny pool here. It's kind of cool. This is where you're going to go. There's people sitting around right now swimming in it. Try to keep my camera straight. So it's a little tiny pool. I'm not going to go in and shoot the pool today. We actually have one of those posted that's nice and empty with nobody in it, so it's a nice one. We'll reshoot that again once we come over in the morning on one day. But I got a nice little pool there. What's nice about these little pools that are different from the big ones, there's nobody here, or when it is busy, there's a lot less people here, so you can take the family out and they can actually swim without getting too many people there next to you. Back in. A little lounge area. Now up there, a little balcony.
yeah. Well, tell me. I'd like to hear from you. Animal Kingdom.
My GoPro keeps going to sleep on me, guys. What he's doing here today. So up here is just pretty much another decision-making room. So same thing down below. Let me try to aim this guy down. Maybe down there. So down below is your room. That's where we just came in. And now we're up on the second floor here. And I just wanted to take you up here to show you the balcony. So this is the main center. You got the elevators across, rooms, more rooms to the right. It's like a chamber of rooms. And then up above, you've got this room.
Yeah.
Yeah, once again, we do have this posted before. We have a couple of these videos posted, I think, at this resort. Outback's your pool, but this is a nice little balcony to look over. That's about it, and then we'll come back on in here. I'm gonna actually take you guys out back today, and I'm gonna do the walk from here out behind the resort. Little lobby area. We'll go down. We're gonna go to the And if you notice the voices in there, that's Mickey Mouse, and I think sometimes it's got the Minnie playing also. I think in our other video we have Minnie Mouse saying something. And that's pretty much it. I'll give it once around once again. Go around. That's it. Once again, the drawing. Go ahead on out.
They have to act like this to make it work. Yeah.
So if you'd kept going straight over there, I would have taken you into the back of the beach club. I'm taking you out the back way today. This used to be the main entrance into the beach club villas. I always call it the DVC Beach Club, but this used to be the main entrance over here. So in the corner over there, and they used to have the Ariel statue, and that's what I always remember, but then they changed it. I want to say it's because it was just too far out there and it seemed like it was too much of a walk. You'd have to do some research. Maybe I'll look into that for you. But yeah, it just didn't seem very homey. You had to walk and it was kind of like alienated. So you had to make this long walk to get out to anything. So now they made it so you can walk right through. They moved the Ariel statue out in the front there. But this is how you get over to EPCOT. So you're going to make the long walk from here. And I'll show you. It's actually a little bit of a walk. And then I'm going to try to get the backside of the pool for the Yacht and the Beach Club video. You guys are painting everything. Oh. That's a lot of railing to paint. So this is what you would actually see back in the day when this place first opened. You had to go way out here to get in there. Didn't even seem like you were going to your room. It seemed like you were like going to an alley or something. And up here is the boardwalk, which is not the boardwalk, it's actually the, looks like the brick walk or the cement walk. But this is actually the boardwalk, so it's going to take you out there. And this used to be the main entrance to the Beach Club Villas. So you had to make that long walk. It seemed like a long walk just to go, and it wasn't really homey, inviting. Now you can cut right through the beach club. So I don't know what kind of deal they worked out, but now it's more inclusive. And I'm not really sure how the pool works. I don't know if they might be allowed to use that pool if you're staying over here. Just a little bit of a walk, that's for sure. And we're back out here. So that's it, guys. So way back there, DVC Beach Club. See you in the next one, guys.